Did you hear about the guy in Mexico that purchased a $13,000 pair of Cartier earrings for $13? My name is Chris Roberts. I'm a consumer class action attorney, and today we're going to talk about the story and if that's something that you can actually do here in the United States if a business has a wrong price on their website. So the story is really interesting. A gentleman in Mexico was on the Cartier website and he noticed that this pair of earrings was listed for $13. Apparently, somebody at Cartier left off a few zeros because the actual price was $13,000. So what happened is the consumer actually purchased the product, and while the purchase was pending, Cartier continued to cancel that order and they would make up excuses for why it couldn't be shipped, etc. The consumer invoked a federal statute under Mexico law and basically made a complaint, and Cartier eventually resolved the case with the consumer. So everyone's natural question is, well, here in the United States, can we do the same thing? Usually the answer to that question is no, and the reason for that is a couple things. Number one, consumer protection statutes in the United States often say that the consumer's belief about a particular promise has to be reasonable. So in other words, even though the advertised price left off a few zeros, was it reasonable for the consumer to believe that a $13,000 pair of earrings was actually $13? Another example might be if there was a $500,000 Lamborghini for sale on a car dealership's website and it was listed for $5,000. A court or a jury in that circumstance might say that is an unreasonable belief. Now, if the belief is somewhat reasonable and then maybe the price isn't as low, then maybe the consumer has a better shot at getting that discounted price. But it kind of depends on some of the disclaimers that are there, some of the consumer protection statutes that are there. But unfortunately, if you were looking to get a $13,000 pair of earrings for $13 on Cartier's website, they've probably fixed the mistake. But here in the States, that's not an argument that's as likely to fly. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and if you like, please subscribe.